Yo, what up, guys? It's your boy J Tang. So we're here to unbox my first Supreme purchase. Pretty excited about this. It's the first time I tried on Supreme, and I came up with a W. So let's see what's inside. Bam. So I got this Supreme New Era baseball cap. Alright, really cool. You got your regular Supreme logo and size 7.5. That's my size. And the baseball logo on the side, like a fireball. You can't really see it in the color red, but there's fire around the baseball. And the back it says 2018 World Famous. And it says Mesh Box Logo New Era. Red. Pretty cool. Alright, inside you get your standard New Era fitted stuff. Alright, everything looks good and very clean. And let's see what's in the rest of the bag. Okay, that's pretty cool. So, also comes with like, I think like a sticker pack. And that's the theme of this year. A lot of clothing is made with the green skull. And I think also comes with some seats. That's pretty cool. Yeah, some seats. So you can plan this. Yeah. So yeah, pretty awesome. Thanks for watching. It's my first Supreme purchase, and I'm very happy with it. I'm a huge baseball fan. And like, comment, subscribe if you like this video, and I will see you later. Peace.